Now today I will focus on integration by parts based some problems. Okay. In yesterday class I have already discussed. First of all, what is the integration by part? Means two function. If u and v, that is first and this one is taken second. So first into integration of second minus differentiation of first function and into integration of second after solving these two and again integrate and after that adding c. Okay, clear or not? Now after that, look here very carefully. How can apply? Simply question is under root x square plus a square dx. How can solve with this question with the help of this method? Okay, first of all, if you consider first one, if you consider first function, this one is a very complicated question. If you see very carefully, integration of x square plus a square, if you apply this, how can I apply this formula? Simply you can say that only one function, but this formula is developed corresponding to function. Okay, and what about integration of this one? I don't know. Okay, so how can I apply? Simply this one is also written under root of, someone say x square, under root of x square plus a square into 1 into dx. Someone say, sir, I am focused on 1 into under root of x square plus a square into dx. Which formula, which one take first function, which one take second function? Okay, one by one. Look here very carefully. If this one take first function and this one take second, according to that one, and this one is first and this one is second, and some person follow this procedure. So which one is the best procedure and why? If this one is a consider first function, so first into integration of second, integration of 1 dx is how much? Simply x, so no problem. But in case of, if you follow this procedure, 1 is the first function and second is how much? Under root x square plus a square dx, integration of under root x square plus a square. You can integrate? No, because I don't know integration. So that's why you cannot follow this procedure. Clear or not? Because of differentiation of under root x square plus a square, I know, but what about integration of under root x square plus a square? I don't know. So that's why you cannot, this one take second. Okay, always complicated function take first function. This one is a complicated function, that's why I taken first function. Okay, so I have so clear why you are not follow this procedure. You cannot take this one, one is a first function and this one takes second function. Okay, now after that apply that formula here. Look here very carefully. And this one say I. So I is written first into second. First means this one under root x square plus a square into dx minus differentiation of x square plus a square to whole power 1 by 2 with respect to dx into simply dx. After that integrate. Okay, now integration of dx, simply x, so you can just x into under root x square plus a square. Now what about that value? Differentiation of this one, simply differentiation of x square plus a square to whole power 1 by 2 dx is written as how much? Simply you can say that x square plus a square, apply chain rule, into simply here t to power half, so 1 by 2 into x square plus a square to whole power minus half 1 by 2 minus 1, simply minus 1 by 2. And what about that value? 2x. So 2 cancel. So x divided by under root of, what about that value? X square plus a square. So basically differentiation of this one is how much? X upon under root x square plus a square. Now that value put here. And what about integration of dx? Simply how much? X. So x into x upon under root x square plus a square is how much written? Simply x square upon under root x square plus a square. Now a square adding and a square subtracting. Then how much? Simply you can say that x under root x square plus a square minus, how can solve this type of problem? How can you can this one written x is under root x square plus a square dx and minus minus plus a square dx divided by under root x square plus a square. I hope so clear. Now after that, look here very carefully. This one written x under root x square plus a square. What about that value? Simply I. So this one is going on left hand side. So I plus I, that is 2i. So 2i, this will be equal to this one plus integration of that one, a square into log of modulus of x plus under root x square plus a square plus c, or c1 simply. So what about I? I is basically, you can write now 1 by 2 x into, okay, plus a square into log of x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. Okay, clear? Divide by 2, those c1 by 2 and c1 by 2. C1 by 2 already a number, or you can say the constant. So you can this one replace to another constant, and c1 by 2 is written simply c. Okay, make it. If any queries related to that topic, then comment it. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Now, I am so clear. Basically, this is the formula. So, finally, you can say that this is the formula of always memorize your a square into log of x plus x square plus how much? A square plus c is the formula. Clear? Make it. So simply you can say that integration of under root x square minus a square is written as simply 1 by 2 in bracket x into under root x square plus a square into log of x plus under root x square plus a square, and after that a new constant c. Clear? Make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Otherwise, I will focus on next problem. Now next problem is e to power ax into sine bx. Which one take first, which one take second? E to power ax, here no any function is a polynomial in the form of polynomial, okay? So whatever, but you know that a to power ax integration and differentiation I know. Second one sine bx, if you take sine bx, you know that integration and differentiation I know that. So whatever you can choose first, which one take second, okay? So if this one take first function, if this one take second, or this one is first and this one taken second, okay? You got same answer. Look here, I will check. If this one is taken first and this one taken second, first into integration of sine bx into dx minus integration differentiation of e to power ax into sine bx into dx. Look here very carefully. E to power integration sine bx minus cos bx upon b, that one. So minus 1 by b into e to power ax into cos bx minus differentiation of e to power ax, simply a, into e to power ax, and integration sin bx is how much? Minus 1 upon b, so minus minus plus 1 upon b into cos bx dx, and this one say capital I. Now again, this is first function and this one is taken second function. So look here, written e to power ax divided by b into cos bx plus a by b first e to power ax into integration of cos bx minus differentiation of e to power ax is how much? A into e to power, simply a into e to power ax into integration of cos bx, simply sin bx, sin bx divided by b into dx. Are you so clear? So now look here, minus e to power ax divided by b into cos bx. Now multiply here a by b. So we got how much? What about that one? Sin bx. So a into e to power ax divided by b square into cos bx, sorry, sin bx, and here minus a square upon b square. What about that value? Simply I. Okay, so if this one going on this side, then you can say that I plus, you can say that I plus a square upon b square I, or you can say that this one written how much? A square plus b square into I divided by b square. Okay, clear? This be equal to how much? Look here, e to power ax is common, e to power ax is common, and divided by b square is how much? A sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, so you can say that I is how much? B square cancel, simply e to power ax divided by a square plus b square that is a into sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, and also adding new constant c is the final answer. I hope so clear. Make it. If any query, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. So first of all, make it. Now suppose that here e to power ax into cos bx dx. How can solve this type of problem? Integration of e to power ax into cos bx. How can solve? Simply look here. Someone says, sir, why? I will take this one is first function and this one takes second function. No problem. That is first and that is second. So you can say that first into integration of e to power x dx minus differentiation integration of that one written e to power ax into dx to whole dx. Okay, look here. E to power ax, integration of e to power ax is simply 1 by a into e to power ax into cos bx. Very simple. Now differentiation of cos, simply minus sign. Minus sign means that one written beta 2 plus minus minus plus b into sin bx into e to power ax, integration of e to power ax, e to power ax divided by a. So 1 by a into e to power ax into dx. Once again, this one is first and that is second function. E to power ax divided by a into cos bx plus b by a. Again, this one is the first function into integration of. Now differentiation of sin x is how much? Cos bx, here b divided by a into cos bx into e to power ax. Okay, basically differentiation of sin bx is how much? Sin bx, differentiation of sin bx is simply b cos bx, b into cos bx. So b cos bx and into integration of e to power ax, here simply e to power ax. What about that value I? So now look here, e to power ax divided by a into cos bx plus that one written b by a. So basically b upon a square into e to power ax into sin bx, and that one is I. So and also multiply here b square upon a square into I. and that one is say I. So you can say that I is how much? A square plus B square upon A square. This be equal to how much? Take LCM, e to power ax. So a into cos bx plus b into sin bx divided by a square and plus c also adding here. So a square cancel. Simply I this equal to how much? E to power ax divided by a square plus b square in bracket a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. If here C1, so that one C. C1 divided by a square plus b square replaced to another constant C. I hope so clear? Make it. I hope so clear. Now I will take some problem on the basis of that question. Okay, so first of all, right now if any queries related to that topic, then comment it. Sir, I face the doubt corresponding that step. Okay, if everything is okay, then I will focus on problem. Okay, simply e to power ax into cos b, integration of e to power ax into cos bx dx is simply, you can say that e to power ax divided by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c written. You can memorize this formula and direct utilize. Otherwise, you can suppose that a question given like e to power 2x into cos 4x dx. So a this will equal to 2 and b this will equal to how much? 4. If you memorize these formulas, then simply put that value and find the answer. Okay. Otherwise, you can follow this procedure and find the answer. Okay. Now look, some problem on the basis of that question. Now here let's some problem. Integration of cos cube x divided by e to power 2x dx. Okay, here 3x, here dx. How can solve? Simply you can write now here e to power minus 3x and here cos cube x dx. How can solve? First of all, if you want to this formula look like e to power ax into cos bx type, then first of all cos x to whole power cube is written in the terms of cos 3x and cos x. Okay, I know that if you don't know what is the formula of cos 3x, so simply this one is 3x, basically 2x plus x cos, and that one is how much, cos 2x into cos x minus sin 2x into sin x. After that, this one is cos 2x is how much, 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x, and this one is 2 sin x, means 2 sin square x into cos x. Basically sin 2x is written as 2 sin x cos x, so 2 sin x cos x and also sin multiply then sin square. What about that value? This one is written 2 cos cube x minus cos x, and this one is 2. What about that value? 1 minus cos square x into cos x, so that one 2 cos cube x, here minus cos x, multiply 2 cos x plus 2 cos cube x, so basically that is 4 and that is 3 cos x. Okay, so cos 3x is how much, like that one, so cos 1/4 cos 3x plus 3 cos x. So basically cos cube x is written is 1/4 into cos 3x plus 3 cos x. So that one replaced to that part. So right now here integration of 3x divided by 4, because 1/4 into cos of 3x plus 3 cos x into dx. After that 1/4 into integration of e to power 3x into cos 3x dx plus 3/4 into e to power 3x, that is how much, cos of x dx. Okay, x into, after that you can apply the formula e to power ax into cos bx. Which formula? E to power ax into cos bx dx, and this formula corresponding to e to power ax divided by a square plus b square. Okay, a cos bx plus b sin bx, sorry, a cos bx, okay, plus b sin bx plus c. Okay, now you can compare. If you apply that formula simply, so now compare, a is how much, -3, and b is how much, 3. So you can say that first of all written 1/4 into e to power 3x divided by a square plus b square, 3 square plus 3 square. So you can say that -3 square plus 3 square is how much, -3 square plus 3 square, first of all right now, into a is -3 into cos bx is 3x plus b is 3 into sin bx means 3x. Okay, you can apply here. Now after that, in this part, a is how much? -3, and b is how much? 1. 3 by 4. So first operator 3 by 4 into e to power -3x divided by a square means -3 to the whole square plus 1 square. Okay, into, if this formula apply, a is how much? -3. So -3 into cos 3x, sorry, cos, what about cos x? Okay, a into cos bx plus b is how much? 1. So 1 into sin bx plus 1 into sin, so simply sin x, and after that adding c. Clear? So finally you can say that e to power -3x, what about that value? 9 plus 9, 18, 18 into 4, 72, this one is 72, -3 cos 3x plus 3, you can also divide by 3, yes. So better to two 24 here 20, this one is 24. Okay, so minus cos 3x plus sin 3x, and what about that value? Here 9 plus 1 10, so 3 by 10 plus 10 into 4 40 into e to power -3x, here 3 cos x plus sin x, and last one adding c is the final answer. Make it. Is the final answer. If any queries related to that topic, then comment it. Sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step, I will discuss again. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I hope so clear. I will explain again. Look here very carefully. Our question is integration of cos x to whole cube divided by e to power 3x dx. How can solve this type of problem? Very simple. This one written cos x to whole power cube, and this one is going on in numerator, so e to power -3x dx. After that, focus on that part. Why? Because I know that I have developed formula corresponding to that one. So if cube cos x to whole power cube is converted into cos bx type form, means 3x in e to power cos 3x like that one, then you can apply that formula. Okay, so how can generate? If suppose that some student, I know that cos x cube is how much, 1/4 cos 3x plus 3 cos x, but some student forget this formula. So how can generate? Simply cos 3x is written cos of 2x plus x. So if you follow this rule, then we got like that one. So that value put here, and finally we got like that one. So now compare, and a is -3, b is how much? 3. Then written here, and after that in this part a is how much? -3, and b is how much? 1. So apply that formula. Okay, you can compare, then find the answer. Okay, so final representation like that one. Otherwise you can also common in these two, how much? E to power -3x. You can also more memorize. E to power -3x divided by 8. Okay, so cos 3x by 3 plus sin 3x by 3, okay, plus (3 by 5). So basically minus 3 into 3, 9 by 5 into cos x, and 3 by 5 into sin x plus c. Okay, so final answer like that one. Make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Okay.